And what is up, everybody, and welcome back to another weekend Warbucks. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing from the wonderful people over at the Glove Box. They have like this subscription box where you get like multiple products for car detailing, and you get to test some fun stuff out. And the great thing about it, it looks like on this card they sent, it says what's on the menu, and it tells you everything that came in your box. And it also looks like they have some coupon codes, which seems pretty awesome. So whenever you want to order some of the stuff that you might like, you know, you can at least save a couple of bucks on it. So shout out to Jason from the Glove Box. Michael, we hope you and your car enjoy this month's Glove Box. So I have not opened it. The only thing I've done is score the tape so I can open it. But I do not know what is in here other than, you know, what I haven't seen it personally is what I'm trying to say. So I wanted my reactions to be as authentic as possible as we are opening up the Glove Box here. So as you can see right there, the Glove Box. And it's a nice size box. What is it? Probably like 10 by 6 by 4, 6, 7. Never was good measurement. I detail cars. I'm not a carpenter. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's open up this wonderful box here. And let's... there's stuff in there. There's some stuff. There's more. I mean, let's be honest. Let's see what all we have here. First off, we have the Glove Box. This is it's a microfiber towel or auto. It's called Wheel Fingers. It's an auto fiber. Get all up in those wheels. Clean the tiniest buildups with these mitts. So this is pretty cool. Oh, I guess it's just a sticker. Okay. So yeah, look at this thing. I mean, you can get all up in there, all up in your wheels. So this is a nice function thing. Oh, you can get all up in there. You know, this is cool. I like this. This will help me out tremendously, especially for those of you that might have like maybe even like if you have one of the old school cars that have the spokes, like this could probably really help you out. You know, I dig this. I like this a lot. I really do. From the Rag Company, this is the Minx Royale Microfiber Towel. Super absorbent, super purple. It goes great with Adam's Waterless Wash. And I think we're going to be getting that in this today too. So get rid of that here. Glove Box 10. Okay, so it does give you a little coupon code. Ooh. Even with the fun like silk lined sides here, this is nice. This is a very, very soft towel. This is probably what, 12 by 12 or something like that. This is a very, very soft towel. I like that it's you know, the thicker nap on this side, and then the smaller nap on this side. So this would be great for removing any kind of waxes, compounds, whatever you want. Heck, oh, this is... I'm just going to go to sleep with this. Thank you. This is great. Then next up here, speaking of Adams, let's go with it. The Adams Waterless Wash. It's a little demo bottle right here. Let's see if it shows the... does it show the ounces on here? No, it doesn't. It is going to be the Waterless Wash. God, that's not anymore. Plus, who doesn't love it? That green apple scent. Oh. Ooh, that is a nice green apple smell. So, this is a Waterless Wash. For those of you that don't know, I'm not a real big fan of waterless washes, just for the fact that it is ending the winter months here in Pittsburgh, and trying to use a waterless wash on your car with salt and grime and all that, no, it's just not happening. So hopefully I'll be able to get a chance to test this out this summer with all like the pollen and stuff in the air. That's what these are really great for. So this is going to be good, and we'll get to use it with the new microfiber towel. So Cool stuff. What's next here? What's this? This is the Leno Garage Quick Detailer. Provides maximum shine, advanced polymer formula. Look at this little thing right here. I've been wanting to try some of Leno's stuff. Not for the fact that I'm like, hey, it's Leno. I know he's a real big car guy, but I haven't really seen any like terrible reviews on this stuff. I mean, if the guy's going to put his products on all of his multi-bazillion-dollar collection of cars, you know it's going to be good stuff. So, this is going to be fun to do. I love quick detailers. You know, just like the same, almost not the same as the waterless wash, but ooh, that's like this citrusy orange that smells really, really good. So Jay Leno's Garage Quick Detailer, pretty cool. Again, a little sample container, but that should really work well. This is the Wizards all-wheel and tire cleaner, powerful, safe, non-caustic foam. Interesting. So where are we at here? The Wizard products, yeah, beautiful tire, deserve beautiful treatment. This stuff keeps your white walls white. Now, if you're like me, who puts their white lettering on their tires on the outside, I'd like to have white tires. So this is going to be something I'll be able to test. That hopefully this works really nice, because trying to keep you know, like your tires looking as best as possible, it's kind of difficult sometimes. So hopefully this will work really well. Again, Wizards all-wheel and tire cleaner. And finally, what do we got here? The Sonax wheel cleaner full effect. It's acid-free, you know, warning, contents under pressure, so maybe not shake this up as much. If you can see this here, Sonax wheel cleaner. Brake dust be gone. Special formula makes it tough on grime, easy on the rims. 20% off with Sonax 20. So, you know, I've seen a lot of people starting to test out Sonax products, and it seems like it's probably pretty good stuff. I haven't used any of it personally, but if this is a wheel cleaner, I don't really get much brake dust on my rims, which is probably great. You know, I don't have like a sports car, so I don't have like heavy brakes or anything like that. But I think we'll be able to test this out also, and hopefully this will do really well. I don't know if this is going to be kind of like the Iron X, you know, where you can color it purple or whatever, you know, when it starts to clean. But yeah, we'll probably be able to use this along with this and have super clean wheels this summer. That looks like that is everything that is in this month's glove box. I think this is a really cool thing. I honestly do, because, you know, there's people like me that don't like to spend $10 million on something that I might like. I wish I was able to, you know, see if I liked it or not, you know. But I know there's multiple or different kinds of glove boxes that you can sign up for. There's the large one, then there's also a small one. If you want to check it out, those links are down in the description below. And, you know, test them out, see what you like. Because like I said, if you're not the kind of person that wants to spend all the money on a product that you might not like, or a product that you might want to test, this will probably be your way to go, because you never know what's going to get. Every month is different. It's not the same stuff over and over and over. But yeah, again, check it out. That link is down in the description below. We'll be doing some testing things, you know, this summer, I guess, you know, on all this fun stuff, and that's awesome. So again, thank you, Mr. Jason, for sending this over to me. Took a shot in the dark, hit you up, you hit me back, and look, let's have some more glove boxes. This way I can do more of these great videos, because I love getting new detail stuff. So that's it, guys. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more detail and videos in the near future. Again, hit that subscribe button, also the notification bell. This way you know when a new video has been uploaded. And that's going to be it. So you guys have a great day. Stay awesome. And I'll see you next time here on Weekend Warbucks.
Damn.